Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Eliana Maika, 18 years old and currently living in Malate, Manila. Before we start, magkakaroon na tayo ng brief background about our house. Let's go!
Simula bata ako at kahit mama ko dito na lumaki. Around 1950s, tumira ang mga lola at lola ko dito and eventually kaming magpipinsan dito na rin lumaki. Kaya medyo modernized na siya, early 2000, nasunog ang original na bahay. Pero from that point, ito na siya. Standing firmly, holding every memories we hold. With every Christmas, New Year's, birthdays, and random get-together. Pero nagsisimula pa lang tayo papunta sa dalawang destinasyon around Malate, Manila, which holds more than just memory but also historical backgrounds na dapat niyong malaman. Pero ironic kasi itong pupuntahan natin, paaralan ko nung ako nasa junior high school, year 2019 to 2022. To be exact, it's only a 4 minutes walk. And oo, binilang ko talaga kasi ang lapit sa bahay namin. At makikita mo pa ang building ng school, kaso nagkaroon ng skyway. Pero what's more amazing ay sa pamilya namin, hindi lang ako nag-aral dito. Pati na rin si mama, mga kapatid niya at pinsan namin, dito na rin nagtapos.
St. Anthony School, Singalong, Manila. Tara!
Makikita nyo merong simbahang katoliko sa harapan. At tama, dahil ito rin ay katolikong paaralan. Pagbabalik sa nakaraan, in 1905, it was just a simple convent to teach Christian doctrine. But in June 1, 1936, it was opened under the name of Immaculate Conception. Una ay kindergarten, at sumunod ang primary at intermediate level. Ngayon, bakit nga ba St. Anthony? In 1960s, to honor the patron saint of the parish, it was named St. Anthony School. At simula noon hanggang ngayon from the accreditation of PAASCO in 1990s, the school was able to expand its learning opportunities and construct more buildings, completely improving its administration and facilities. Para sa kaalaman ng lahat, sino nga ba si St. Anthony of Padua? He is a 13th Portuguese Franciscan friar, preacher and theologian born in Lisbon 1195. He is a patron saint of sailors, fisherfolk, priests, travelers, and lost items. Therefore, during my time in high school, malaking paniniwala na sa tuwing may nawawala kaming gamit, we pray to St. Anthony of Padua. Ito naman, maglalakad lang tayo ng onti pa. Kung kanina ay mga kapatid ng mama ko, this time ako naman. Nagtapos kami ng elementarya ng ate at kuya ko dito, isang publikong paaralan sa San Andres, Malate, Manila.
Aurora A. Quezon Elementary School. Unfortunately, we cannot go inside, so hayaan nyo kung ikot kayo around Aurora. So marami magsasabi sa inyo na familiar, pero what's more familiar ay yung apelidong Quezon. At tama, siya ay may kinalaman sa pangalawang pangulong si Manuel L. Quezon, because she is the first lady or Doña Aurora Aragon Quezon.
The school was built in 1904 pero mas kilala bilang San Andres Primary School, which later in 1926 became a complete elementary school. In the honor of Doña Aragon Quezon, it was renamed in September 28, 1951 by the virtue of Resolution Number 426 approved by the Municipal Board during the Commonwealth period and the Mother of the Philippines National Red Cross.
So, dyan nagtatapos yung ating dalawang destinasyon sa araw na to. Actually, 3. So, maraming improvement at renovation ang nangyari katulad na nakita niya na bagong building sa Aurora. And simula kahit nung bago ako graduate, around 2018, nagkaroon na din sila ng bagong eskwelahan. So, that concludes our vlog for today. So, babalik na muna tayo ng bahay. And let's go! So, ngayong bumalik ako, it reminds me of all the memories na nagkaroon ako nung high school and elementary ako. Thank you everyone for watching and I hope you liked it. Bye-bye!